Oxford Read and Discover Level 1 In the Sky by Kamini Kanduri. Read by Christopher Ragland. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2012. Introduction. Go outside and look up. What can you see? You can see the sky. The sky is above you. Look at the sky. Is it day or night? What can you see in the sky?
Discover!
Now, read and discover more about the sky. Chapter 1. The Sky. Look at the sky in the day. What color is it? Can you see clouds? When it's sunny, the sky is blue. Clouds are white or gray. Sometimes you can see birds and planes. They fly in the sky. Sometimes when it's sunny and rainy, you can see a rainbow in the sky. How many colors can you see? A spacecraft goes up into the sky. Then it goes into space. Space is dark and very big. Chapter 2. At Night. At night, the sky is dark. You can see the moon. The moon is a big ball of rock. Sometimes you see a round moon. This is called a full moon. Sometimes you see different shapes. A thin moon is called a crescent moon. You can see stars at night, too. Stars are big, hot balls of fire. They look very little because they are far out in space. Sometimes you can see planets, too. Chapter 3. The Sun. Do you know the sun is a star? It's our star. We live on a planet called Earth. Earth goes around the sun. The sun shines in the sky. It gives our planet light. Don't look at the sun. It isn't good for your eyes. The sun is very, very hot. It makes our planet warm so we can live here.
Discover!
We get electricity from the sun. Light from the sun shines on solar panels. This makes electricity. Chapter 4. Day and Night. Sometimes it's day, and sometimes it's night. That's because Earth turns. When your place on Earth turns toward the sun, you see light from the sun. This is day. When your place turns away from the sun, you don't see light from the sun. This is night. Then Earth turns, and it's day again. At night, it's dark. It's dark in parks and gardens. It's dark in homes, too. People make light with electricity or candles. Is it dark when you go to bed? Chapter 5. Stars. Stars can look red, orange, yellow, blue, or white. The sun is a yellow star. You can see patterns of stars in the sky. The patterns are called constellations. With a telescope, you can see more stars. The Hubble Space Telescope is a very big telescope out in space. It takes photos of stars. A galaxy is lots of stars. There are many millions of stars in one galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way.
Discover!
Old stars don't live forever, but there are new stars too. Chapter 6. Planets. A planet goes around a star. 8 planets go around the sun. The sun and its planets are called the solar system. The planets are all different. Jupiter is big, and Mercury is little. Venus is hot, and Neptune is cold. Saturn has lots of rings. Many planets have moons. A moon goes around a planet. Earth has one moon. We call it the moon. Some planets have lots of moons.
Discover!
The planet Saturn has about 60 moons. Chapter 7. On the Moon. On the moon, there's dust and rock. There are tall mountains and big holes called craters. There's black space all around, and no blue sky. There's no weather because there's no sky. It's hot in the day, and it's cold at night. Astronauts can go to the moon. This astronaut is on the moon. How amazing! He has a spacesuit and he breathes air from a tank.
Discover!
Footprints are on the moon for 1,000,000 years. There's no wind to blow them away. Chapter 8. Into Space. Astronauts go into space. They go in a spacecraft. Astronauts can live in space. They live in a space station. They look at Earth and learn about it. Spacecraft with no people in them go into space too. Some spacecraft take photos of Earth and space. Some spacecraft go to other planets so we can learn about them. Maybe one day you can go into space too.
Above, air, around, bed, blow, breathe, candle, dark, dust, earth, electricity, far, fire, whole, light, million, mountains, pattern, photo, plane, planet, ring, rock, shapes, sky, space, spacecraft, spacesuit, sun, telescope, up, warm,